for this one, generally I keep the knees bent and the feet close to me. That way the low back can be pressed in. Notice the wrists, they're turned up. The weights are touching together. The wrists stay turned upward on this one. So my head, neck, spine are neutral. I'm going to stop at the 90-degree angle and then push the weights back up again. So the low back's pushed into the pad. That's how I'm protecting the low back. Notice the weights line up above my head. The wrists stay turned up the whole time. So the big thing people do on this one is they go down with the wrists and then they flick them up. They go down and flick up. And then the other thing that they'll do is if the legs are straight, they'll arch their back in order to go over. So now here is the one with it going over. This one commonly I'll lift the legs so that they can't arch their back to go over. So this mimics kind of more of a super pullover. So this one includes upper back from here to the 90, and then from the 90-degree angle up is triceps. So from here down is triceps, and then from the ground up is a little bit of upper back. So there's that one. And then we're going to do free weight chest press since we're down here. So we're going to go hands facing away. Elbows are slightly lower than the shoulders. Notice the knees are bent again, same to protect the low back. Then I'm going to push up, touch the weights together at the top. The elbows are still slightly bent here at the top. They're not fully straight, they're slightly bent. Then go down, tap the bottom, and then back up again. So free weight chest press here. And then there's also free weight pec fly. So this one is generally if people have some kind of a shoulder injury, they can do single pec fly. So tap and then in. Notice my hand facing inward toward the other hand, or both hands together. Tap, down, and together. The closer the elbow is to the side, the less shoulder. The more wide the elbow is, more shoulder. So this is more shoulder. You're going to pull more of the shoulders into the exercise. The pec fly, a lot less shoulder. So pretty good for somebody with a shoulder injury to be able to work chest and shoulders without too much of the shoulder coming in. So there's a few options there.